guys, welcome back. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the wacky weather fun things that we've been doing with you this week. Today I thought we'd do something else, and this is with a cloud. Would you guys like to make a cloud in a jar? Great. I thought that would be a great idea. So what we're going to need to do this is we're going to need to have a jar just like this with a top that fits on it. You guys are probably going to want your mom and dads to help you with this one because we're going to be using hot water, which you need to be very careful with, and we're going to be using hairspray, two things that you probably want your mom and dads to help you with. Anyways, it's a very simple trick and we'll see if it works. Are you ready? Oh, we're also using ice. We're going to have some cold air hitting some warm air and we're going to see what happens. Are you ready to begin? All right, we are going to start with the hot water and we're going to pour it in our jar just like that. Okay, now it's time for the top. We're not going to put it on the jar. We're going to turn it upside down and we're going to put our ice cubes in it to make it nice and cool. Like this. You see that? Now we need our hairspray because when water goes up in the air, it actually turns into like a gas and you guys can't see it. It attaches to things like dust and pollen, and inside my house we don't have that right now. So we're going to use some air spray to create that dust and pollen and things in the air that the water vapors attach to. Ready? We're going to put on our top with the ice and we're going to wait a few minutes and we're going to hope that our cloud works. Sometimes when you do experiments they don't work and you might have to try a couple times. So let's cross our fingers and hope this one works. It looks like something's forming in that jar. Let's count to 10 with me and then we will check it out and see. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lift it off and see if we have a cloud. Are you guys ready? Look closely. I brought a piece of paper so we can see. Do you see that? What's coming out of the jar? Look closer, guys. Do you see it coming up? We made a cloud. How about that? You guys can try this at home if you want. It was a lot of fun and it was actually pretty easy. And that kind of tells you a little bit how clouds are made. Before we leave today, I have a song about a cloud. It's What is a Cloud? And you guys can sing it with me if you'd like. Tiny, tiny, tiny bits of ice, floating, floating, floating all around. When they come together, they all hold on tight, hold each other tightly, and they make a cloud. It rains when too much water's in a cloud. The water gets too heavy, then falls down to the ground. Then up comes the sun and warms it up again, and it all begins again with the tiny, tiny, tiny bits of ice. That is how a cloud is formed. Over and over again, it's a repeat cycle. Down to the ground, back up to the air. It was nice to have you guys join me today. I hope you enjoyed our little cloud experiment, and I will see you soon. Bye.